Hi Sarah, we're making a video for Uncle Mark. Who do you have there? Do you have Ducky?
Quack!
Quack, that's what Ducky says, that's right. Can you tell Uncle Mark, what does a dog say?
Woof woof.
That's right, dogs say woof woof woof. What does a cat say? What does a kitty cat say, Sarah?
Yeah.
Yep, meow, they say meow. What does a cow say? Moo. Can you say moo?
No.
No, okay. What about a duck? That's the best one, huh?
Da.
Ducky says what?
Da.
Oh, you got something on your hand? Oh, you need help down the stair. Okay, come on. 1 foot at a time. Okay, there we go. Is that one of your sandals? Hey Sarah, can you say hi to Uncle Mark? Can you say hi? Hi.